Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this simple little foldable computer desk we got to be able to fit in one of our rooms in our house. So obviously you can see you got a computer on top of it, but basically these legs fold up. They're kind of spring loaded right there, as you can see, but fits in a nice little corner pretty well. I'll go ahead and show you it folded up and then set back up again. Alright, to get these folded up, basically you just have to tap this in a little bit. It's easier with two hands, obviously, but I can't do it with two hands while I'm on the phone here. But as you can see, it folds in like that. And then the springs just allow the leg to fold up. You can see that one. If I can get this other one by myself, or with just one hand. There you go. Folds up just like that. And then there you go, makes it easy to store. So folds up pretty compact. Another cool feature, it's got these little corner protectors to protect the table and, you know, hitting walls and stuff like that. But then to unfold it, basically just the same way, set it back up. See if I get the camera here. So you just unfold the leg like that, snaps into place. I'll get this other one. Snaps into place there, and then you're good to go to set it back up. So pretty lightweight too, as you can see. I'm lifting it with one hand. Got it back in place, ready to put the computer back on it. That's it.